Let me start off by bigging up Miss Shermaine from Antigua News. This lady, she did a damn good job bringing across the exact thing that I want to talk about in Antigua and Barbuda. I get to realize Antigua Barbuda is a too spooky little country, and pardon my language, no fuckery I go on over there. So once again, may I say big up Miss Shermaine from Antigua News, cause you do a damn good job, and most journalists in the Caribbean, they should take a page out of your book, cause you is a big bad investigative reporter. And Countryman, I said that. With that said, let's go.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. Countryman rich and bad, sick and mad. Them other flag a day a bitch and fag. Ride out the young with big flag. Pull up, jump out of the Nissan mad. Countryman step with the shoes of puppy. You might see him on the news, you make no stop it. Him no step him can't settle him feet. Trinidad land, I called police. St Lucia, people in my bars for peace. Don't get Trinidad crazy, it's a fucking beast. Fucking beast, fucking beast. Countryman rich and bad, sick and mad.
It's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It says, son, I've learned a lot out of reading people's faces. No matter how them are going, like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
Now remember, a time back, this is the video of the Antigua Defense Force coming to St Lucia to help with gang and crime. Now the reason why I say that, and that seems like Antigua is an oxymoron country, because some very spooky things is going on in Antigua and Barbuda, and for some reason the people them over there just sweep it under the mat. I don't know what's wrong with these, me I say, bumbleclot Antiguan police boy them. Now, how many people get missing from Antigua? People going missing every fucking day. Okay? And nobody's talking about it. Finally, the Antigua police force create a missing person unit. Where the fuck? Them live in a caveman time? As a matter of fact, you know what me I do? Me I call the Antigua Police Commissioner Captain Caveman Dog. I tell you something, Antigua and Barbuda. I wait my come for bumbleclot waking up and make people know what's going on. Now that boy, him a chief of staff in the defense force. And you send defense force go to Trinidad, I mean what you call it, St Lucia. Want him to the people them in your country, Antigua Barbuda. People like them people here, so look on this picture right here, so look on them picture here. Missing people, dog. And these authorities down in Antigua now do nothing about it. Whole heap of rumor flies say it's organ harvesting. They might take people organ. All sort of thing is coming out. They might use people as sacrifice. For do this, me have to talk what's going on and what my intel them a tell me. Now, before me go any further, me I show no bumbleclot something. Like me say, me come for wake up Antigua and Barbuda and let people know what going on down in that little island there. Now, look at that little girl. That little girl, went missing about 2 weeks ago in Antigua, and everybody start get scared because on top of the other set of missing people, this little girl was missing, got taken, and then next thing you know, they find her book bag and they found 2 people. They said that took the little girl, and the day after that, them find this little girl dead in Antigua. This happened about a week and a half, still fresh. The little girl right there in this picture, she hasn't even been buried yet. You understand? And that just happened. So, I start it off with the worst news ever, because I want to show Antigua at time these authorities and the police them wake up, cause people afraid. All sort of rumors flying, Now, look at this.
To clap. Man, I feel like I was front row seat in the concert where there's nobody else here.
Nothing is here to clap about. Now, me tell you now, I did want to show you a picture. Look on that picture here. That you, him name Kyle Peters, and him went missing recently. Now, what make Kyle Peters' case so kinda incredible? His father is a minister in the government, you understand? And his son went missing, Kyle Peters. Now that's Noah Hurst, and him went missing recently. Now Noah Hurst, his father is a big time member in the government, some kind of agriculture specialist or something like that. But check this out, I want to look at this picture right now. You know, see that you there, Robert Boy, and he's also missing. And all of these missing cases, they're pretty much recent. Some of them even more recent than some, but yeah, it's not more than a couple years old, some of these, and some of these is like recently, in recent time, like maybe a week, couple weeks ago or a couple months ago. So it's like the missing people situation in Antigua and Barbuda, it is damn mind-boggling. And like I said, me have to bring it to the world and bring it to the people them, cause I want to wake up Antigua and Barbuda police and make them know, say, yo, Countryman, dip on the case. You understand? Now, so many people are going missing to blood clot, pardon my language. Me have to give Tuna in a 2. That's Kevon Bailey. Let me repeat his name again. Kevon Bailey and Kevin Millet Jr. Them 2 men are missing recently. Look at that. That is a elderly lady, 70-something years old. She went missing recently. Look at the screen right there. 2 more missing women. Now the lady on the right, Donna Marie Christian, she has been missing in 2024, not very long ago. Now this other lady, Miss Doris, she has been missing since August 2017. I'm sorry, I don't have a script in front of me, I'm just going straight. Now, there is many more missing people. I may run through a couple of them real quick. I can't do all of them, I not lie. It's stressful if you talk about them. You understand? And I can't really help them. So the only way me can help them is put this out there and kind of push the government, push people for coming, give some information so these families can have closure, as well as the police and the government need to get on their job. Look at those pictures right there. That's Kerry and Joshua and Kean Richards. They are missing also. And there is more, believe it or not. Look at these pictures right here. Look at those two pictures right there. Again, that's a white man from Canada went missing down there, and the person on the left is Orden Paso David, a transgender gay man. He went missing and his car has been burnt. Look at that picture right there. That's Trey Griffiths and Vincent James. Recently been missing and disappear in a horrible way. With that said, let's go. Now there is more, but I am gonna stop it right here and I am gonna give my summary and tell you guys how I feel about this. I ask the question, why we have to die? Black man, women and child, newborn vibes in the eyes. The politician them I take bribe. Now, how me feel about this? Me feel like say the government, people, the community, you understand, need to step up. And what I realize, you see, these little Caribbean islands, they keep everything on the low. Only certain country load up, like Jamaica. Jamaicans make everybody know them business, but these little small Caribbean islands, them now do them thing there. With that said, I hope I highlighted what's going on in Antigua and Barbuda, and I hope so the police and the government can step it up, because when the market in itself as this beautiful Caribbean island where nothing happens and people can come there and this and that and everything is good, acid and cow fat. But me I show the real reality and the gritty part of Antigua, Barbuda. Listen, my name is Countryman.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.